treasures down the stream. Up, down, let's all row and sing. Treasures down the stream. Up, down, let's all row and sing.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row your boat, treasures down the stream. Up, down, let's all row and sing. In the summer the ants were a-working, bringing food to their hill every day, while the grasshopper sang in the sunshine. On his fiddle his song he did play. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I will sing all the while neath the sunshine. Neath the moon I will dance, I will play. In the autumn the ants were still working, but the grasshopper still did not care. The ants asked, why don't you store food for winter? When it's cold you'll have no food to spare. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. Above us all there will always be sunshine, and there always will be time to play. Time went by and along came the winter, and the wind gave a cold icy chill. Snow fell down and there was no more sunshine, so the grasshopper went up the hill. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-dee-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I am cold, I am wet, I am hungry, and I'm sorry I played the days away.
In the valley he went to the anthill. He was cold and embarrassed and sad, but the ants told him that he was welcome. Then he thanked them and felt really glad.
Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. And the grasshopper said, in future seasons, work comes first, then I'll have time to play.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah.
by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to check the skies, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6. The little one stops to pick up sticks, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah.
The ants go marching 7 by 7. The little one stops to eat a lemon. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8. The little one stops, he's feeling great. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 9. The little one stops to check the time, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10. The little one stops to say the end. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Once there was a very, very speedy hare. Once there was a very, very speedy hare. He would brag from near and far that he was faster than a car. Oh yes, one time there was a very speedy hare. The plucky tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race. The plucky tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race. If you're so fast in running shoes, then there's no way that you can lose. Oh yes, the tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race.
Fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see.
All the animals came down to see them run. All the animals came down to see them run. With a bell the race began, and fast away the quick hare ran. Oh yes, the animals came down to see them run. The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. Since the hare so quickly sped, he had by now run far ahead. Oh yes, the tortoise very slowly crawled along.
Fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see.
Speedy hare felt very sure that he would win. The speedy hare felt very sure that he would win. Since he thought he couldn't lose, he laid right down to take a snooze. Oh yes, the hare felt very sure that he would win. The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. He passed by the sleeping hare, who kept on snoring unaware. Oh yes, the tortoise kept on inching down the road.
Fast and slow. Who will win? Let's watch them go. Down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait
and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Did the hay house go?
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Did the stick house go?
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow, blow, blow. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow, blow, blow.
But the bricks surely did not go.
The wolf was at his wits' end, you see. He climbed on the roof, down the brick chimney. He came with his teeth all bare, bare, bare. So the 3 little pigs got scared. The 3rd little pig lit a log on fire. The smoke started rising higher and higher.
The wolf burned his hairy tail.
Ow, ow, ow!
Then the wolf ran out of town. The 2 little piggies of hay and sticks learned a lesson all about work and bricks. A hard worked job won't fall, fall, fall to a huff or a puff at all.
When you start to have the hiccups and they just won't go away, and you really, really, really want to stop, try to hold your breath so the hiccups cannot stay. If you really, really, really want to stop, hold your breath, hold your breath. If you really, really, really want to stop, hold your breath, hold your breath. If you really, really, really want to stop, when you start to have the hiccups cause you ate your food too fast, and you really, really, really want to stop, just take a drink of water, you can sip it from a glass. If you really, really, really want to stop, take a sip, take a sip. If you really, really, really want to stop, take a sip, take a sip. If you really, really, really want to stop, when you start to have the hiccups and you don't feel very well, and you really, really, really want to stop, just ask a friend to help you to sneak up on you and yell. If you really, really, really want to stop, go get spooked, boo! Go get spooked,
Boo!
if you really, really, really want to stop, go get spooked, boo! Go get spooked,
Boo!
if you really, really, really want to stop. When you start to have the hiccups and they won't leave you alone, and you really, really, really want to stop, just wait a little while, they might leave you on their own. If you really, really, really want to stop, wait it out, wait it out. If you really, really, really want to stop, wait it out, wait it out. If you
Wow! Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on his farm was a baby goat.
E-I-E-I-O. A baby goat is called a kid.
Yay! A met here, a met there. Here a met, there a met, everywhere a met.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on his farm was a baby cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
A baby cow is called a calf. With a moo moo here, a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm was a baby sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
A baby sheep is called a lamb.
With a baba here, a baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm were baby chickens, E-I-E-I-O.
Baby chickens are called chicks. With a peep peep here and a peep peep there. Here a peep, there a peep, everywhere a peep peep. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm was a baby lion, E-I-E-I-O.
A baby lion is called a cub.
With a roar right here, a roar right there, here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Roar! Yay!
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm were baby animals. E-I-E-I-O.
With a man here,
And a boo-boo there.
here a ball, there a beep, everywhere a roar, roar.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
I have a puppy, his name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow. I love his tail and smiling face. He makes me happy in any place. Come, Bingo, good boy.
I have a puppy, his name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow. We run and play. If he could pick, his favorite game is get the stick. Bingo, fetch, good boy. I have a puppy, his name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow. I lost my lamb the other day. Bingo found it, hip hip hooray. Give Bingo, good boy. I have a puppy, his name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow. I train him to do some cool tricks. He is so smart, he learns them quick. Shake Bingo, good boy. I have a puppy, his name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow. And on the days when Bingo is bad, I wag my finger, it makes him sad. No, Bingo, next time outside.
I have a puppy,
His name is Bingo. I have a puppy, cute as a rainbow.
when I am sick or feeling blue, he stays by me through and through. Thanks, Bingo.
We love our puppy. Oh yes we do. We love our puppy. He loves us too.
Aha!
Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Light. Here we go, Looby Loo. All on a Saturday night. You put your right hand in. You put your right hand out. You give your hand a shake, 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 and turn yourself about. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Light. Here we go, Looby Loo. All on a Saturday night. You put your left hand in. You put your left hand out. You give your hand a shake, 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 and turn yourself about. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Light. Here we go, Looby Loo. All on a Saturday night.
Put your right foot in. You put your right foot out. You give your foot a shake, 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 and turn yourself about.
Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Light. Here we go, Looby Loo. All on a Saturday night.
Put your left foot in. You put your left foot out. You give your foot a shake, 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 and turn yourself about.
Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Light. Here we go, Looby Loo. All on a Saturday night. You put your whole self in. You put your whole self out. You give yourself a shake, 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 and turn yourself about.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Come on, let's play, play, play. We can play together. Come on, let's play, play, play. We can play together.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Let's use our feet, feet, feet. We won't use our hands. Let's use our feet, feet, feet. We won't use our hands.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Come on, let's kick, kick, kick. We can kick the ball. Come on, let's kick, kick, kick. We can kick the ball.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Come on, let's pass, pass, pass. We can pass the ball. Come on, let's pass, pass, pass. We can pass the ball.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Come on, let's dribble, dribble, dribble. We can dribble the ball. Come on, let's dribble, dribble, dribble. We can dribble the ball.
Olay! 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 Olay!
Come on, let's